Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. T, a tech trainer and career coach, and I help professionals transition to tech by leveraging their existing skills and abilities. If you're interested in stepping into an AI governance role, but you're feeling overwhelmed by all the acronyms, you're not alone. I had my mentee reach out to me recently for just some clarity on some of these. So I thought I'd come back and share the information with you all that I shared with him. Once you understand the acronyms and how these concepts connect, you'll be able to spot risks, shape policies, and lead with confidence. So let's break it down. What is AI? AI is our artificial intelligence. It's the broad field of machines mimicking human intelligence. So think of AI as the umbrella term. AI systems can learn, reason, make decisions, and even interact with humans. But not all AI is created equal. There are layers, like the learning layers. Machine learning is a subset of AI. It's how systems learn from data, like predicting fraud or recommending products. Then there's deep learning. It's the more advanced form of machine learning. It uses neural networks to handle complex tasks like facial recognition or voice recognition. So AI is the umbrella, machine learning is the learning engine, and deep learning is the turbocharged version of that engine. Then there's generative AI, the creator of the bunch. Let's talk about generative AI as the writer, the artist, the composer. Tools like ChatGPT, Dolly, and Copilot fall into this category. Generative AI uses deep learning models to generate new content based on patterns. In AI governance, GenAI raises questions around copyright, misinformation, and ethical use. So understanding how GenAI works helps you build smarter corporate policies. Agentic AI. This is the doer. It's the newest frontier. These systems don't just generate, they act. They pursue goals, they make decisions, and they operate with minimal human input. Think of autonomous vehicles, or smart assistants that schedule meetings, or AI agents that manage entire workflows. Agentic AI introduces new governance challenges, though, like who's responsible when it makes a mistake, or how do you ensure it aligns with human values? That's where your role becomes critical. Why does this all matter for governance? As an AI governance professional, you're not just managing risks, you're shaping the future. Understanding these layers helps you spot bias and ethical risk in machine learning models. It helps you design transparency protocols for deep learning systems, and it helps you create content for generative AI tools. In short, you're the bridge between innovation and responsibility. So here's your cheat sheet. AI is the big picture. Machine learning is how it works and learns. Deep learning is how it probes deeply. Generative AI is what it creates. Agentic AI is what it does. And your job is to make sure it all aligns with ethics, compliance, and human values. If this video helped you get clarity, hit the like button and share it with someone else stepping into AI governance. And if you want more beginner-friendly guides or analogies, subscribe and stay tuned. Thanks and have a great day.